Hello traders, welcome to the weekend market analysis. Today 31st Jan, Nifty ends this week at 23,532 and Bank Nifty at 49,623. So in this video we are going to discuss a few things like the important levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty, because tomorrow is high volatile day, budget day, and we are going to discuss about the SEBI circular, and also few things you need to know about the importance of Elliott waves. Okay, so these are the things we are going to discuss in this video. So watch it fully for more benefit. Okay, see, I had set this level multiple times during this decline, and I have that support band of 22,990 to 22,850. See, I not change anything, and you can see how the price nicely turned from here. And for my course learners, why I am confident in that level, observe this price action, you will understand. Okay, and in our previous video also we expected the price to reach this zone, and the price even crossed above that level. So approximately 22,850 to 23,500, 650 plus points. Say one more time, we identified almost the most important turning point for this particular wave. Okay, right. What we can expect next? See, Nifty as of now showing strength, and Bank Nifty exactly price closed at our resistance. This is what our expectation in our previous week. The price can reach 49,640. This is the level I marked, and exactly the price today stopped there. So considering both the situation, we need to see the opening tomorrow. And tomorrow is not a normal day, it's a budget day. High volatility will be there. We need to see how the price reacts during this budget day, and we need to see how the price closes tomorrow. That will decide the our future price action. But basically, what we may expect is, see, some sort of pullback may come. Okay, if there is no gap up, and moves higher, there is a possibility of some sideways or pullback, and the price may come minimum to 23,300. There is a possibility. Okay, and for that you can check these levels. So if the price may stop here around 23,600, the price may pause or even pull back below 23,300. Okay, there are chances, and we need to see how the price opens tomorrow. But if the price moves above this level, there are chances of price reaching 23,700 to this 800 zone. Okay, so this is the update on Nifty. So the opening and the continuation is important. If it is normal day, there is a higher chance of pause and pullback in the markets. Okay, just a pullback, and the price should move higher. So my primary expectation is, this is what I'm expecting. Okay, a pullback and move higher, or directly move higher. The price is turning from good support. So the pullback, even if it is pullback, I believe this will not stop here. So it may directly move higher, or after a pullback it may move higher. So the view not changed. The view is, as I said previously, you can see green in our markets in February. So this is the view for Nifty and Bank Nifty also. See, exactly price closing at our resistance. So as I said, the opening is important. If the price moves above our today's closing, like 49,623, the important resistance zone is 49,800. Okay, 784, 49,800 to 50,070. Okay, 49,800 to 50,100 can be the resistance. The price needs to cross this level with the gap for or speed. Okay, for much more higher targets. If not, as I said, in Nifty, we can expect some sort of resistance or pause. Okay, here, and the price may pull back right from here or here. Okay, I'm saying only pull back, and not expecting one more low now. I'll tell the reason also. Okay, that will be a good learning in Elliott waves. So this is what my expectation, and the price may move higher. Okay, and the price may even come to 48 700 750 zone if the price comes lower. Okay, the idea is the price should move higher, but because of budget there will be a high volatility, so it may move higher or come lower and move higher, but the idea here is I believe the price market should move higher even after a dip. Okay, and if you notice one important thing, I have said here the bank nifty may not make a new low, it made an equal low. Okay, that's the understanding of Elliott waves. And if you watch it, Nifty made a low. With the help of Elliott wave, you can even understand this. Okay, which index will make a new low or which index having strength, and because of that, the intermarket divergence may appear, and that will confirm our turning point. So there are a lot of things, and with the help of Elliott waves, we can identify all these things. Okay, so this is the view on Nifty and Bank Nifty. And if you talk about the SEBI circular, okay, before talking about that SEBI circular, I want to convey few things like, see, this is the reality, and we cannot rely on anyone. And I often tell to my learners that you should not even rely on me, and that means my view should not influence them. Okay, they should take their own trade, then only they can improve their trading, and then only they can become independent, right? The intention of creating my course and the hard work behind my course is make you independent. See, I put a lot of efforts to prepare this course. Even I'm going to share one new video, maybe I think today is not possible, maybe tomorrow or before Sunday, definitely I will post one more new video. So each and every month I'm trying to give more learnings to my learners. Make use this opportunity and learn the Elliott waves and become independent, and you need not to rely on anyone during your lifetime. Okay, and I prepare this course in 100% practical way, you know, each and every small things, and I said the reason for it, you will understand this and you will enjoy this course definitely. Okay, because you can even check the reviews of our learners, and most importantly, two things. I received a mail from our learners that they identified the top made in IT index way earlier, and exactly the top made and the price rejected. And one of our learners shared a chart how he exactly identified the turning point in Trend Limited. See, there is a heavy sell off. Okay, he exactly got the top and he booked exactly at the low. These trades and these analysis are done by my learners independently. Okay, without my intervention, they did it. I'm very happy seeing those analysis. And yes, you can also become independent, and if you wish to learn the market language Elliott waves, you can learn from Magic Fibs. And most important thing is, say, I'm just giving a heads up, the course fees can be raised from April 1, and not because of 1 year. I have added almost 8 to 9 videos, and I will add more videos in coming months. So for that videos, the price will be slightly increased. I know many subscribers and many traders are interested to learn my course because I'm receiving many mails from you. Thanks for your support. And this is the opportunity. And if you wish to register my course, use this 2 months. I don't want to rush you at the end of the moment. So if you're really interested to learn Elliott wave from me, you can register my course in February and March. From effective 1st April, the price will be increased due to lot of learnings has been added to the course material. Okay, that's the important information I want to share it with you. Okay, now coming back to the markets, small cap, and this one, see exactly the price turn from our level. This is the first level, but opening itself, the level has been breached. That's why I give importance to opening with gap or without gap. So there are a lot of things to understand the wave characters, and this is the worst case situation. And if you notice, the price not closed below the level. Okay, see here 16,050 had a wick and bouncing from our level. Here there is a slight confusion. By seeing this, there is a possibility of one more low, but the wave force will behave like this. Sometimes the wave force sharply reverse from here. Okay, like all these can be 1, 2, 3, but internally there is a possibility of completion of the correction itself. But anyway, we will check this counter. So yes, the correction has been completed here, or a mild low is possible after a pause, but uh, as I said, February our portfolio will recover. Okay, uh, I'm not sure whether the end of correction or a very good bounce, but definitely I believe, okay, I believe in February our portfolio may recover. And yes, I said one thing about the learning in Elliott waves. See, the price should minimum cross above this point. Okay, this is what my expectation also. I have said in previous videos, the price may reach here, and these are the resistance. Okay, these are the possibilities in coming days, in longer term, I mean in a week's time, or in February. So 24,150 and 24,800, these are the possibilities in upcoming weeks or month. Okay, but the price should not move very fast below this level. Okay, it may come slower. Okay, that is possible, but remember, it should not come very fast, because it will become a leading diagonal, but that is very rare. As a learning, in my experience, I have seen leading diagonal in the corrections, but mostly in one of A, that is here. Okay, here only I have seen multiple times the leading diagonal which starts the correction. I have not witnessed the uh, leading diagonal in one of C or the final leg or third leg. Okay, so probably that is very rare case, and a very big leading diagonal is very low probability. And if that is the case, the decline will be huge. But I'm just explaining the context. Okay, so that is very rare, and I'm not expecting that. Just for learning purpose, I'm sharing this. Okay, so primarily markets recovering, bouncing, and I still believe more upside is possible in February. So this is my observation on markets now. And to talk about the see SEBI circular, this is very important. What distinguishes education and advice? A person engaged solely in education shall mean that such person is not engaged in any of the two prohibited activities. Those two activities are mentioned here, like providing advice or any recommendation directly or indirectly in respect or related to security or securities without being registered, and okay, making any claim of returns or performance expressly or even impliedly, right? So these are two things which are prohibited, and such person should not be using the market price data for preceding 3 months to speak, talk, display in the name of any security, including using any code name of the security in her or his talk, speech, video, anything. Okay, this is more important, indicating the future price, advice, or recommendation related to security or securities. See, I frankly expected index also included here. If SEBI wants to meet its objective, index also should be included, right? But by seeing this circular, there is no specific mention of index. See, if you interpret like uh, this circular talks about only security or securities. Okay, index, if we talk about the futures or options, then it will become a security, but commonly index, which will not come under the basket of security. We can interpret even like this: no one can trade in index, so obviously they should trade in F&O. So seriously, I don't understand clearly here. So let us wait for any further update. Until then, we can resume our analysis of index regularly, because we are analyzing only index. So levels and opinions shared in the video are only for learning the waves. Tomorrow is high volatile day. Both resistance and supports can even hit in a single candle. So better avoid the trade tomorrow. Let the news and everything settles. Then you can approach the chart. So until that, you can wait for some clear confirmation. Happy weekend. We'll meet you in the midweek market update. Thank you.